Two birds, one stone. Essentially, we're going to take two video topics and pack them into one upload today. So hopefully that works out for you guys. The later part of the video is actually going to be a review for a very popular Amazon product, and that is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil by Sunny Isle. Now, I'm sure it's available all over, but this is very popular, tons and tons of reviews on Amazon. So we're going to go over that and my experiences and thoughts on it. And to start the video, we're going to go over more of an informational topic, and that's quite simply the difference between castor oil and Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So, if you're excited to learn about either of those things, the review or the information, real quick, hit that thumbs up, aka the like button. It is free. I appreciate it. It makes a difference. You guys are amazing. I don't know if I introduced myself on this video or not, but my name is Dan C. Bearded. And check down below, just look real quick. Are you subscribed? If you are, thank you. If you're not, please consider just simply one click. Click that subscribe button. Once again, absolutely for free, you guys. It'll give you access to all the videos in the future. It is anyway, you don't have to be a subscriber, but it does help out here. You can go back and check out the previous videos, especially if you like beard products, beard info. You're in the right spot, so thank you guys. Let's dive into it. Jamaican Black Castor Oil versus normal castor oil. They're actually pretty similar with three main differences. Now, they both come from the castor bean plant of the seed. It's the seed of the castor bean plant. The difference is, though, the Jamaican Black version, they take those seeds and they roast them before extracting the oil. Now, what that does, number one, it's going to change the color. The color is going to be a little bit darker like you would expect with something roasted. Number two, it's going to change the smell a little bit. It is going to give it a little bit more of a smoky, toasty kind of roasted scent to it. All right, everything's checking out so far. And then number three, the main difference that you may consider or not is it does slightly change the pH level. Now, this doesn't matter in most situations for most people, but if you're someone that's super dialed in and really particular, just do a bit of research on the pH level of castor oil and Jamaican Black Castor Oil and how that could affect you. That's a much bigger topic for another time if we have to dive into higher pH levels, lower pH levels of oils, of washes. That's something that's a really big, like, kind of unearthing, no pun intended, but those are the differences. Same plant, same source, it's just what you do to it before getting the oil out of it. If I have a preference, I am taking normal castor oil over the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I'm not against it. It's nothing that I look out for to watch and stay away from. It's just I'll take the normal pH, the normal extraction. I don't need to roast it to have any kind of benefits for my skin and my hair. But if that's your preference, absolutely rock on. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Now, to dive right in and not waste any time, I wanted to really go out and try some different Jamaican Black Castor Oils for myself. I wanted to try them in blends that I make. And I came across this and I was like, oh, wow, very popular. I've actually heard of it. And that again is the Sunny Isle. And it just says on here, the original authentic Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I just told you guys where Jamaican Black Castor Oil comes from, the extraction process. Let me read you guys the ingredient list on their Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And this is in the scientific names, so it might throw you off if you don't realize the scientific names. But first off, we have castor oil. That's a good sign. And then we have grapeseed oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, and then a bunch of fragrances. Oh, grapeseed, coconut, argan, jojoba. All it says on here is the original authentic Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, beard oil. External use only. Interesting. If I would not have looked at any of the information before purchasing this, I would have thought I was buying a 4-ounce bottle of Jamaican Black Castor Oil, pure castor oil. That's not the case. This is more of a product that they put the name Jamaican Black Castor Oil on. Now, are they the original? I have no idea. Is this authentic? I guess that depends on your definition of authentic, and it depends on your definition of Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I'm not here to say that they're wrong. I'm not here to say that it should be something else. I just thought that was interesting and it was a surprise. Now, did I know it before it arrived? Yeah, I'd be lying if I was like, oh, I got this and I'm shocked. I read the ingredients, I knew it, I still wanted to try anyway to do a review. So again, if you're looking for Jamaican Black Castor Oil, the roasted castor bean seed as an ingredient, this is not something I would recommend. This is more of an end product, something to use on your beard. Now, this is exceptionally inexpensive. It was just over $3 an ounce. I think I paid like $12 or $13 for 4 ounces. That's wild. Now, it does say made in the USA, but it does say responsible person is in the UK. So I'm not exactly sure the origins of the distribution, manufacturing. I'm not sure. My experience with this, it was okay. I actually thought it was going to be much worse for that price and those ingredients. It was okay. It felt like a cheaper beard oil base. It felt like something that would be okay to get the job done if I was starting out, but definitely not something that is a quality blend, in my opinion and in my experience, compared to many others that I work with. Even something that would be in the similar world of price range, such as like an Honest Amish. I would even take something like a Shea Moisture over this if I was trying to have the best feeling, looking, and smelling beard. Now, to the scent on it, there's not a ton of scent. It's pretty smooth, it's pretty clean, which I prefer. Oftentimes when you get the less expensive, I don't want to say cheaper, I don't want to say inexpensive, the less expensive options that have fragrances, normally they're going to be like chemically smelling. You know what I mean? This wasn't that. That was a pleasant surprise. Now, after this video, will I use this again in my beard on like a lazy day or go? No, I'm probably not going to ever use it again. But I didn't have an adverse reaction. It just didn't work great. I would say it's a medium thick viscosity. It's not as thick as a castor oil or a Jamaican Black Castor oil. And it was just okay. Just okay. And I don't have much more to say about it than that. I'm not here to bash it. I'm not here to say it was the best thing ever. It was just pretty much what you pay for is what you get on this one. Not garbage, usable, but not something I would recommend long term. Hopefully that makes sense there. So, to wrap this up, you guys, questions. What about the differences between the two oils? What about the extraction process? Questions on this product, and especially, have you tried this? I know some of you have because you've been asking me about it. Let me know how it worked for you. If it was fantastic and it's all you use, please share. If it was garbage and way worse than my experience, please share, and everything in between. Thank you guys for watching today. Dan C. Bearded. Cannot wait to read those comments. Please stay bearded and stay positive.